Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So the look that I've created today is Bengali kind of a look. This year I'm really gonna miss Durga Puja. The people of Kolkata, we all wait for Durga Puja like so eagerly, and this year it's not gonna happen. I just wanted to create a look, guys, because I really want that Puja vibes. So do this kind of a look, celebrate your puja however it is, even if you're doing it at your house. You kind of feel different when you're wearing your mom's sari, and especially when like my dad had gifted this one to my mom. It was the first gift she received from my father. I really love wearing saris. Like I don't get any occasion like that where I can wear saris. So without just wasting another moment, let's just start with the video. Starting off with the eyes first, here I am brushing out my eyebrows using a spoolie. Now I'll use a concealer as an eye base. Use a very light shade of concealer, guys, because we want that eye look to be popped. And we'll blend it using a beauty blender. Be very gentle on your eyes and dab it very lightly. Now I'm using this very light shade and I'll just put it above the crease. Blending is the key, guys, so you need to blend your eyeshadows really well. Take your time and do your eye makeup accordingly. I will follow the same steps on the other eye as well. I'm using this brown chocolate shade and I'll apply it on the crease as well as the lid area. I'm using the same brush as you can see and I'm blending both the colors together. I'm using a flat brush and I will take this dark brown shade and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes, on the outer V. It will give a nice shape to my eyes. I am using a fluffy blending brush and I'll blend all the colors together. It will give a nice smoky effect on the eye. I want a nice smoked out V shape like this and I'll just blend it out. Just blend, blend and blend. I'll take this shimmery shade, kind of a rose gold shade. Apply it on the inner corners of my lids. I'll use my fingertips as well to enhance the colors. Wow, just look at the shade, how beautiful it looks on my eyes. I will take another shade like this and I'll apply it under my brow, on the brow bone. Now I'm using a brow pomade and I'll just shape and carve out my brows so that it looks very neat and even. I'll do the same with the other. I'm using an angular brush. I will just brush it off so that everything gets even. I'm using an eyelash curler and I'll just curl up my lashes. I don't like wearing false lashes for a normal wear makeup look. So I'll just use a mascara and add volume to my lashes. Now time for the foundation.
will apply the foundation all over my face and the neck using a foundation brush, which is a flat foundation brush. And I'll just blend it out using a buffing brush. Now I'll set my face using a translucent powder. And I'll just bake under the eyes because I went for a very light coverage, and I'll just dust off the excess powder and apply it on the whole face and set it. Now I'm using a very peach tone blush. It is my favorite, guys, and I'll just apply it on my cheeks. Just give a smile. Blush is my favorite. Now time for the bronzer. And I'll just apply a little bit because I want that natural finish on the face. It will just give a structure to my face. Now time for the highlighter. Let's add some glow. So I'm using a fan brush and just see how beautiful this highlighter looks. Can you see that? Just on the high points of my face. Now I'll just complete the eye look. So I'll take that brown shade again and I'll apply it under the eyes using a smudging brush. I'll blend it out using the same blending brush. Going for a little bold eyes and softer on the lips. This is kind of a Bong look that I like. Now I'm applying a dark kohl kajal and I'm just smudging out with the tip. I will again blend everything out with the blending brush. Can you see how beautifully the blended thing looks? Kind of a smoky look on the eye. Now time for the lipstick. My favorite lipstick, a pinkish nude shade, and on top of it I'll mix another shade which is a kind of a coral shade, and I'm ready. Time to change.
This was the whole look, guys. If you really like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want the notifications, because I try to post weekly, so you'll get notified. I will post a lot of pictures of this look on my Instagram. You can check it right there. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really love you guys. Stay safe and stay healthy, guys. Take care. Bye.